Hello, welcome to Fosco Campus. I'm Alfred and I'm going to be your tutor for today's lesson. Today we are going to discuss something called run skill. So stay tuned and get ready for it. Rank skill. I'm sure by now you are asking of the meaning of rank skill. In systemic linguistics, the ordering of grammatical units such that a unit of a given rank normally consists of units of the next lower rank, as in English, the ordering is sentence, clause, group or phrase, word, and morpheme. When these ranks are arranged hierarchically, the arrangement is called rank scale. So we have the grammatical unit, which happens to be the sentence, clause, group or more phrase, word, and morpheme. When they are arranged hierarchically, the arrangement is called rank scale. Therefore, rank scale is the arrangement of grammatical units according to size. That is, it is arranged from the biggest and highest unit to the lowest and smallest unit. Rank scale is the arrangement of grammatical units according to size. That is, it is arranged from the biggest and highest unit to the lowest and smallest unit. The highest grammatical unit is the sentence, whereas the morpheme is the lowest unit. So the grammatical unit, which happens to be the sentence, the clause, phrase, word, and morpheme, sentence happens to be the highest among them, whereas the morpheme is the lowest unit or the lowest among them. This is shown below. Sentence is followed by clause. That is, sentence consists of clause consists of phrase consists of word, and then word consists of morpheme, which happens to be the lowest or the smallest grammatical unit. Morpheme is the smallest grammatical unit because it cannot be broken down further to get any other grammatical unit. So this is how the grammatical units are arranged from highest to smallest, or likewise smallest to highest. The sentence, which is the highest rank, consists of one member of the unit immediately below it. So when you go back, you could see that the sentence, which happens to be the highest rank, consists of one member of the unit immediately or below it. So you can see that sentence consists of clause consists of phrase consists of word, and then word consists of what? Morpheme. So the sentence, which is the highest rank, consists of one member of the unit immediately below it. That is the clause. The clause also consists of a phrase. The phrase consists of a word. The word consists of a morpheme, which is the smallest since it cannot be broken down further, as I said it earlier on. We have two kinds of relationship that exist on rank scale. We have two kinds of relationship that exist on rank scale, on which the grammatical units are used or are being used to arrange or identify on the rank scale. So they are the consist of relationship. The consist of relationship. That is one. And then we have the constituent of relationship. The constituent of relationship. The consist of relationship is also known as top-down view. The consist of relationship is also known as top-down view, where the arrangement starts from the top, that is the sentence, to down, which is the morpheme. So with the top-down view or the consist of relationship, the arrangement starts from the top, that is the sentence, to down, which is the what? The morpheme. And with the top-down view, the arrow points downwards. It starts from the top and then move to what? The down. The sentence consists of clause. The clause consists of phrase. The phrase consists of word. And then the word consists of what? Morpheme. And then we have the constituent of relationship. And then the constituent of relationship is also known as top and bottom up view. is also known as bottom-up view, where the arrangement starts from the bottom, that is the morpheme, to the top, that is the sentence. So with the constituent of relationship, the arrangement starts from the bottom, that is the morpheme, to the top, that is the sentence. The morpheme is a constituent of word, and word a constituent of phrase, and phrase a constituent of clause, and clause is also a constituent of sentence. So you may observe that the highest rank, which happens to be the sentence, have all the other units below it. In terms of the relationship, you could see that the sentence, which happens to be the highest grammatical unit, have all the other units below it. So with the constituent of relationship, you can find morpheme, which happens to be the smallest grammatical unit in a word. And then you can find a word in a phrase, phrase in a clause, and finally clause in a sentence. So this is the consist of relationship. So you can see that the sentence consists of clause, clause consists of phrase, phrase consists of word, and word consists of what? Morpheme. That is the consist of relationship. The top down view, where the arrow points downwards. So the sentence consists of clause, clause consists of phrase, phrase consists of word, and word consists of what? Morpheme. Then we have the constituent relationship, or the constituent of relationship. This one is also known as the bottom up view, as I said it earlier on. The constituent relationship, that is also known as bottom up view, where the arrangement starts from the bottom and move what? Upwards. So morpheme is a constituent of a word, where the constituent of phrase, phrase a constituent of clause, and then clause a constituent of a sentence. To summarize everything, we said that rank scale is the arrangement of grammatical units according to size. That is, it is arranged from the highest and biggest unit to the smallest and lowest unit. That is the rank scale. And then we have the two kinds of relationship that exist on the rank scale, which happens to be the consist of relationship and then the constituent of relationship. And we also say that the consist of relationship is also known as the top-down view, where the constituent of relationship is referred to as the bottom-up view. On this note, I would like us to solve this assignment and submit it on our next meeting. Thank you.